A lot of people are now talking about how good sound and speakers are on Galaxy S25 Ultra. The sound is full and clear with a good bass. But I'll tell you one setting that you can try to get even better sound from your Galaxy S25. For this, go to Settings, search for Equalizer and tap on it. Now choose Custom and change these settings accordingly. And I have not copied this from Ice Universe, but these are actually better settings. First change the 251 to +3, then 501 to +4, after that 1K to +1, leave 2K to 0 and move 4K to +3, move 8K to +6, and the last one, that is 16K, move it to +4. Try out these settings and check them out on your Galaxy S25. Also make sure when using custom settings, the Dolby Atmos option is turned off. Then you have to download an app from Galaxy Store, and that is Sound Assistant. This amazing app lets you customize your volume panel in a lot of different ways. You can add a knob style volume bar and you can customize its width. Next cool thing about this app is that you can set different sounds for every different app, so you can always know if that is an SMS sound or if that's a WhatsApp message sound. The Sound Assistant app might not be available on your Galaxy Store. For that, just change region of your Galaxy Store. Once again, it's a simple process. Just pull out SIM card from your phone. Use a VPN to connect to the US. Then clear cache and data of your Galaxy Store and try again. Now you'll see Sound Assistant app on your Samsung Galaxy Store. Try it out and let me know what you think about quality of sound on your Galaxy S25. With that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.